welcome to the Good Times We Share. So today we decided to take a drive, 15 minutes drive away from home. So we decided to visit a town called Montefiascone, which is a very beautiful town. There is something amazing about this town which we want to share with you. I hope you enjoy this view as much as we are. I hope you're going to enjoy and get a bit of fresh air as much as we are. So this is what I'm about to show you. It's lovely. This is what I wanted to show you. This is a lake called Lake Bolsena. In Italian it's called Lago di Bolsena. So this is the biggest volcanic lake in Europe. It has got two beautiful islands. I don't know if you can see them. One is right there. The other one is a bit in the distance. I think you can see the shadow of it somewhere behind. Yeah, like somewhere there. So it's got two beautiful islands in the center. It's something you can see better during the day, but given the time that we came, it's a bit dark, so you can't see it well. So this lake can be seen from different towns, 5 different towns, which is the light, like you can actually see the lights of the towns around it. So that one there is called Marta. Then we have Capo di Monte right there. Then you have your 2 islands in the middle. Somewhere in the distance you can see some lights, that's called Gradoli. And then there is Bolsena right there where it gets its name from. And where we are is called Montefiascone, which is a very beautiful town. As you can see, the lights are lit. It's pretty much, yeah, part of the town, most of the town, like the main part of it is on a mountain. That's why it's called Montefiascone, I suppose, because it's on a mountain. So you can see the lights beautifully lit. And this is the path along the lake. You can see there are a lot of benches where you can sit on just to relax. But this is a beautiful, breathtaking and excellent view I wanted to share with you. And of course, that's my husband running away from the camera. Yeah, my breathtaking view, ever breathtaking. But this is what we wanted to share with you. So today we just seated out here having a good time. Just relaxing, nothing much, just to take a moment to breathe and just enjoy the nature. So this is what we wanted to share with you. One of those beautiful things about this country is that you can always enjoy a good time for free. Like, there is so much to see here that the minute you just step out of the house, there is always something amazing to see. Yeah, that amazing thing is coming up. Yes, that's my husband. Don't say I showed you. Yeah, so this is the awesome view we wanted to share with you. Unfortunately, we cannot see any more birds around here. If you come during the day, you'll probably get to see some birds flying. Sometimes you will see boats on the lake. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this view. So this is one of those simple moments that we get to share, and we just love being out together and sharing good times. So that's what we wanted to share with you today. And we hope we'll have a chance to come here during the day so that we can show you how more beautiful this place is during the day. So we hope you enjoyed this episode. Look forward to the next place that we visit. And this is the Good Times We Share. Bye until next time.